Jaguars. They used to want one so bad. This is America's answer to the Bugatti. Yeah. I don't know anything about it. It's like 1,200 horsepower.
See that chubby face?